What's going on, Rankin family? Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at a Ravenna Homes right here in the Woodland Hills. This is a model house tour. They're about to get ready to sell this one and convert the garage to an actual garage. So what you see is what you get inside of here, which is going to be fantastic. And I'm going to walk you through everything. The audio did get compromised when I was out there, so we're doing a voiceover after the fact, but I'm still going to bring the value that you guys need. So as soon as you walk in, you're going to have this oval ceiling right here with the crown molding, and that's going to continue throughout the foyer itself as well. And then this is going to be the beautiful study. So if you notice, you're going to have your exposed wooden beam on top. You have the beautiful baseboards throughout this room as well. You have plenty of windows for natural light inside of here, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, there are some upgrades inside of here. Now, the starting price is still up for debate right now, but I'll make sure once we get a concrete asking price, I'll be sure to put that in the description just for you. And now we're going to head down the foyer and head right here to the left, so that way we can see the first bedroom. So you have a decent amount of space inside of the bedroom. The good thing is about this floor plan, you're going to have two bedrooms adjacent to one another with a shared bathroom. And as you can see, you have carpet that's going to stay inside of these bedrooms right here. You'll have a decent amount of space inside of the closet. You certainly have enough space for a small wardrobe. And now we're going to head this way. This is going to be the first full bathroom. You have your granite countertops. You have your mirror framing as well with the lighting fixture. You got your nice standing shower with the tile backsplash inside of here. And if you notice, they have more of a traditional look. So some folks might see this particular property and say, well, who is Ravina Homes? I mean, why do they have their model situated like this? It has more of that traditional look, and that certainly is intentional. So Ravenna Homes, just a little backstory about it. They were started by two brothers back in early 2013, and they were both in leadership positions for one of the largest home builders in the Houston area, but they felt like these homes were missing certain things, and they decided just to go ahead and start their own company and bring to you what they felt like the marketplace was missing. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, because we just want to make sure we get the best feedback from you folks. And this is going to be your nice oversized kitchen. So you have level 5 granite countertops inside of here with the island in the middle. And if you notice the wooden range, it has a decorative corbel on there. So one of those unique pieces, absolutely. And you have your high bar right here. Some folks have mixed feelings about the high bar, especially in 2024. But if you love it, you love it. And if you hate it, you hate it. There's really no in between. And then you definitely have your crown molding on top as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Now you do have that open concept that folks absolutely love. Right there where the entryway would be, you'll have your utility room as well as your 3-car garage that I mentioned earlier is going to be converted very soon. And what we'll do is we'll head this way to the 3rd bedroom. And I want to make sure that I open up all the doors so that way you can see everything inside of the property. But this would be perfect for a guest room because it's off to the side. It essentially has its own personal privacy, which is perfect. And this is going to be the nice size closet right here. You definitely have enough coat racks in there for a decent amount of clothes. And what we'll do is head this way. So this one right here would be essentially a little closet. And I did mention I was going to open every single door inside of this home, but that one was locked, so I didn't get to showcase that. But now we're going to be entering the great room. So you have the beautiful stone fireplace right here. And if you notice, it has an art niche on the top of the mantle right there. So it's absolutely gorgeous. That is an upgrade. But one of the things that you will notice is that some of these things are worth it. Some things you may not think it was worth it that much. But you do have your beautiful exposed wooden beams on top as well. Plenty of windows that adds natural light. And you may be wondering, what kind of flooring do we have in here? So we do have level 2 hardwood flooring throughout the property, of course, except for on the half story as well as the bedrooms. And it does have a half a story. So you might be wondering what the stairs are going up, and we'll definitely go up there so we can showcase the property. And just to not keep you waiting, it is a media room, a game room, and a half bath, and you are absolutely going to love it. But this is going to be the primary bedroom. So you definitely have these oversized windows letting in a lot of light coming in. And you definitely have a decent amount of space inside of here. It's not the biggest, but it certainly isn't the smallest, which is great. And this will be your beautiful primary bath. So you have your standing shower, his and her sink with the level 5 granite inside of here as well. You got your nice size soak-in tub right there with the tile flooring inside of here. You definitely have enough space inside of here. It's a one-man show, but guess what? It'll get the job done without a doubt. You got your toilet right there to the left as well. And now going into the primary closet. Now, like I said earlier, this is not the biggest, but you certainly can fit a decent amount of space inside of here. You can definitely add in maybe some more shelving if you want later down the road. Maybe pop by Home Depot, see what you can do to get some more extra storage space if you need it. And that will be great. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, folks, welcome back to the channel. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, give me a shout. I'll be happy to help you. And so if you notice along those walls, what you have is wainscoting, and on top you have a bead board with the crown molding as well, and you have the beautiful lighting fixture coming down over your dining table. So that's fantastic. I think it's absolutely great. And that is, of course, an upgrade. So if you were to build something similar to this, you can know that that is an upgrade. But I always suggest, if this is something that you're interested in, especially since they're about to sell this model house, reach out. We'll get you taken care of and get you under contract for this beautiful property. And then this will be your nice size game room. Now this will be perfect for a pool table or just adding a lot of different chairs in here. The one challenge I do see with this one is adding another TV. You just don't have that much wall space. I mean, of course, you can put it where the thermostat is, but this would be great for, you know, a nice game room. You could always have the TV right there to the media room since they're next to one another. So just keep that in mind. But as soon as you walk into the media room, you do have the sliding barn door. And this will be your nice size media room. I love the carpet. It definitely has that theater-like feel without a doubt. They already have it painted perfectly inside of here, and they have those theater lighting fixtures in here, so it's perfect as a nice cozy feel. You'll definitely not regret it whatsoever. And this door right here will be going into the attic. So you have a double door, and then you can go into the easy access attic door right here. Go ahead and put all your decorations and whatever you need to inside of there, which is perfect. I have some folks that have given feedback on the easy attic door and they don't like it. They just feel like it's a little creepy. But in my opinion, it's definitely great, especially when you're putting away the Christmas decorations or the Halloween decorations. You don't have to go up those flimsy stairs and worry about hurting yourself. So I think it's great. And now we'll go take a look at the backyard. You have this nice extended covered backyard patio. And you might be wondering, what's that on the ground? That definitely is ice. It definitely gets cold out here in the greater Houston area. We even seen it snow just a little bit, but it went away quickly. And that, folks, is the lovely Ravenna Homes. All right, family. So that was Ravenna Homes. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.